Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I turned this plain table into this beautiful accent table with just some spray paint and some sticky back. So I started off by putting the table into the garden. It's a plain white table from Ikea. Of course, me being me, I lost the video for me spray painting, but I did 2 coats of the legs and the little small table underneath, and that's all. Here's the spray paint that I used. It's called Painter's Touch and it's from Homebase. It's only £5 and it's toy safe, so it means it's non-toxic. This is the name of the table that I bought and it was only £19 from Ikea. So when that's done, you want to just clean the surface of the tabletop so that when you put down a sticky back, it will be nice and flat. Then you will need a ruler, scissors, possibly a blade if you don't have scissors, and the sticky back paper of your choice. Here I bought Design Foley. It's a marble effect and it was only £5 and I bought this from B&Q. When that's done, you're going to start by peeling it off and sticking it. You're going to use the ruler to flatten the surface as much as possible so that you get no bubbles or anything whatsoever. You have to keep going along with the ruler and flattening the surface as much as possible, all the way until the end of the table. As you can see, my sticky back paper is shorter than the table, but I have a trick for this. So I'm just going to cut another piece of sticky back paper and lay it on top. Then I'm going to use my secret weapon, which is going to make the whole table look seamless. Also, it's important to make sure that you have enough sticky back to cover the sides of the table. This is my secret weapon. It's a hairdryer, and we're going to make sure that the 2 sticky backs blend together seamlessly. So what we want to do is take the other sticky back and lay it on top of the original sticky back plastic that we have, and then we're going to use the blow dryer to heat it so that it melts into the other marble effect. It's really important that you do not try to measure or line up the 2 sticky back plastics together to try and fit them in together. You have to put it on top of the original sticky back and then heat it with the hairdryer so that it can blend smoothly. Trust me, as you can see, it does not work. So I done it again, and then I used the blow dryer to heat around the sides of the table, and that way you create a nice smooth finish around the sides of the table and there's no bubbles, and you can just fold the ends of the sticky back under the table and then trim it accordingly. So you just have to keep going around the table and melting the plastic as you go along. I had the temperature on a high temperature but on a low pressure, just so that I wouldn't burn my fingers because it's really close contact. I continued to do this for about 10-15 minutes just to perfect it, and as you can see the difference between the melted plastic and the other plastic. And here it is. This is the finished look of the table. I was so pleased with it. I was so happy that it came out so great, and it's just a complete transformation for only £10. And this is how it's placed in my room. It's holding my records and my record players on top, and it's such a great look. Thank you guys for watching my video, and I'll see you next time.